What would you do if $10 million of your retirement wealth was suddenly exposed to a single political decision? This is exactly what almost happened to Frank and Linda Powers, a retired couple from Scottsdale, Arizona. They spent 35 years building their wealth. Frank was a real estate developer. Linda ran a successful design firm. By the time they hit retirement, they'd grown their combined retirement accounts to just over $10.6 million. Then came the wake-up call. In early 2023, they watched the markets tank after regional bank failures rattled confidence nationwide. But what really shook them was this: Washington's quiet attempt to revive a wealth tax proposal that would target unrealized gains. Yes, even inside retirement accounts. And if that sounds unbelievable, let's ground this in reality. The Fed has printed over $6 trillion in just the past few years. Inflation may have cooled on paper, but ask any retiree paying for groceries, it's far from over. And major investment houses? They're already shifting portions of client wealth into non-dollar hard assets, hedging quietly behind closed doors. Frank and Linda weren't about to wait around for their millions to melt. So they did what smart investors do in uncertain times. They hedged. Specifically, they rolled over $1.25 million of their IRA into a gold IRA. Not all of it, just enough to diversify and protect their portfolio from political risk, market crashes, and currency devaluation. Here's why they, and thousands of other retirees, are turning to gold IRAs right now. 1. True diversification. Stocks and real estate may move together during crashes. Gold often moves in the opposite direction. 2. Tax advantages. Gold IRAs offer the same tax deferral benefits as traditional IRAs. 3. Protection against unrealized tax. Proposals. If legislation ever targets paper gains, physical assets offer strategic defense. 4. Legacy planning. Frank and Linda didn't just do this for themselves. They wanted to leave real tangible wealth to their kids and grandkids. And here's the beautiful part. Their story started with something free. They requested a free gold IRA guide and took a quick, no-obligation educational call just to learn if it was right for them. No pressure, no gimmicks, just real answers. So let me ask you, if you've got over $100,000 in an IRA or 401k, don't you at least owe it to yourself to understand this? Because if you've worked your entire life to build real wealth, like Frank and Linda, you deserve to protect it. For your retirement, for your legacy, for your peace of mind. Click the link below, grab your free gold IRA guide, and schedule your one-on-one educational call with a specialist who will walk you through the pros, cons, and strategy without sales pressure or silver giveaways. Just honest, tailored insight for people serious about preserving wealth. This isn't about panic. It's about preparation. If Frank and Linda waited, their story might have ended very differently. So don't wait. Protect what you've built, preserve what matters, and give the next generation a legacy worth more than dollars. Your future deserves a hedge, deserves a